So what happens when you put a very fast driver in a £200 regular simulator and put them up against a slow driver in a £10,000 pro level sim? This is James Baldwin. He won the world's fastest gamer competition last year and now races for Jensen Button's GT3 team. It's safe to say he is a very fast driver. This is Callum. He works for Driver 61 and he crashed my Mazda MX-5 last week. And while he's very enthusiastic, it's safe to say that he is not a very fast driver. Callum is driving the Driver 61 sim. This sim is such high quality that the wheel and pedals feel better than some of the real race cars I've been in. You have absolutely brilliant control. Whereas James is driving a wheel, pedals and rig we picked up on Facebook Marketplace last week. We think it's around 5 years old and when you drive, it feels it.
So we've gone for Spa in the end.
That didn't fill me with confidence, to be honest. So you got your shoes off?
Yeah. I've got my Porsche socks, that's like 3/10.
By this point, Callum was getting on pretty well, but James was concerned.
I'm concerned. Not because of him, because of that. I mean, it's just not what I'm used to. I mean, it's not a bad rig, it's easy to go up and use a really good rig, but it's not great to go down from what you're used to. It's got car control, hasn't he?
He's got car control.
Not much else though.
You like drifting?
Am I going in too hot or what? Can you give me some tips?
I actually think in this car, because it's got no TC, I think that's a good thing. So I wouldn't change anything.
Okay.
Just watch the...
He's throwing me off now. Is this a red herring?
You are an enthusiastic driver, Callum.
Thank you.
So how long have you been playing simulators?
2 years, but it's only on console stuff. Maybe 18 months?
Okay. I reckon just do the next time. I mean, you're not far away from the limit from the looks of it.
What do you say? Okay.
I think you've got it in you. I mean, you messed up.
Is he talking me down?
No. You messed up turn 1. Apart from that, it's looked alright.
And so, with a few laps practice done, Callum ventured into his quali lap. Oh, he's got it slowed down.
That was really good. Ooh.
Oh! Love the change halfway through.
Well, you have to, because it died in 5th last time.
Did you do it flat last lap?
Do you know the difference between Eau Rouge and Radeon?
Yeah, Radeon's at the top, Eau Rouge at the bottom.
Oh, nice.
Are you happy with that? Are these
Stop talking, Callum. Focus.
Nice. That was good, mate.
Ooh. Oh, okay.
8 tenths up. Looking like a good lap. Car control's fantastic, Callum.
This wheel, you get such precise feedback. You can really feel everything. It feels like a road car wheel, whereas...
Do you secretly work for Fanatec?
No. But Fanatec, if you want to hit me up.
Are you dropping sponsorship deals in my video?
Oh no, oh no.
You deserve that, mate. Look at that delta dropping now. Oh, you killed it.
I'll get it on the brakes.
Yeah.
You want to be about 10 metres earlier on the brakes than you were last time, Callum.
Okay.
Remember, you almost went through the barrier.
If you have a tiny chicane, you get 57. Easy.
Rears are going off.
The setup is quite oversteery.
Very. Oh, I locked up. No!
Okay, actually went that bad.
257.533. It was then time for James's run. He jumped into the 5-year-old Facebook rig and wasn't particularly impressed. I mean, it's fair to say though, this is a good rig for, you know, for regular users. It's just that it's...
I mean, a rig's a rig. You know, it's better than a desk because it's all together and it's all part of the same thing. But I mean, I'm probably a snob now. I've been used to that. I've got it's a long outlap to get used to it. So what I know from iRacing is you've got to be really smooth. Can't really feel anything.
Okay, here we go, first flyer.
Right, here we go.
You got a better exit quicker already. Still down on my time.
Half a 10.
Half a 10.
Oh, it's
So
close!
close.
James is constant.
Oh, so he shifted into 4th at the bottom.
Oh!
So does that
Disallowed.
That doesn't count. So you got an off track.
He's wasted a lap. Are you up?
Yeah,
2
Quarter
tenths.
of a second.
He went wide at Radion though.
So this is the problem in modern circuit, overrun on the first lap into the runoff.
Yeah.
Wouldn't have got away with that 20 years ago, boy.
Half a tenth
Oh, I got-
quicker.
What I can see from this, right, is you're slower in, faster out. Now I'm thinking about it, I do some weird things with my face when I'm concentrating. I'm just... Oh, I wanted to do it in the first lap. I look rubbish now.
You are 1.8 seconds up though. With two
1.8?
Yeah, 1.8 seconds up.
James was so confident in his driving skill that after just 2 laps practice, he decided to record his time.
This is it.
So I need you to bin this lap and go wide,
Yep.
and then I win by default. Oh, okay. Should we put on 10th up?
Yeah, it's much better,
Oh,
isn't
so you left it in 4th.
it? Yeah, keep the revs up. Look at that.
Oh, and he's kept it on the track.
6 tenths. That's going to climb the whole way.
Do you reckon you can beat him by 4 seconds?
4.
Yeah.
How rude. No off tracks yet. Please, remember.
Oh.
That was really quick.
Rivage.
Yeah. So going into no name, 1.3 seconds up.
I was using all the road.
You were worried about the off track there, weren't you?
Yeah.
Really
I didn't
worried.
gain any time there. That's not good.
Yes! Off track! 1.5 seconds up.
Reel it back, James.
Right, I'm going to throw this lap in the bin. I can't believe I ran wide.
If you spent half a day on a pro sim versus half a day on a normal sim,
Yeah.
would your ultimate lap time be the same?
It'd be similar, I think. Yeah, it'd only be a few tenths. I think it's more important that you know where to brake, where to turn in, when to get on the power, what gears to use. That's what's important. I can't really feel much right now. Just from looking ahead, you can just see what you need to do next type thing.
So through Radion, half a second up and it's climbing.
You were good through no name.
I'll take that. That's going in my Instagram bio.
You were good through 9.
James Baldwin 2020. Actually, no, scrap your name. World's fastest gamer.
It's a full 3% of the whole lap. 2 seconds up on Callum. Oh.
Close. So kit doesn't matter. Unless he bins at the bottom.
It's that final 3-4% I think where kit comes into it. But if you put me on that rig right now, I'd probably be doing very similar lap times.
That's outrageous.
That is outrageous.
Wow. Okay.
3 seconds.
That's a proper smattering. Exactly 3 seconds.
Yeah,
Exactly 3 seconds.
exactly 3
That's a
seconds.
lot.
Wow, to the 1,000th. No, it's not fully about the equipment, but
Good
yeah.
through no name though, so I'll take that.
This video was brought to you by us at Driver61. We train real world and sim racers to make our drivers faster on track. We've just opened up registration for our sim racing course. So if you're interested in getting faster in the sim, click on the link in the description below and find out more about our sim racing course. If you enjoyed this, take a look at these other videos which we think you'll love. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.